Hello, and welcome to an audiobook of Clifford, We Love You, written and illustrated by Norman Bridwell. When it is time to turn the page, I will bark, bark, so that we can all turn the page together. Let's begin on the first page. Clifford was feeling down in the dumps. I didn't know what to do. I tried everything to cheer him up. Bark! I served his favorite foods. He wouldn't touch them. He howled all night long for no reason at all. Oh, 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 oh. Bark! He didn't even feel like playing with me. The vet couldn't find anything wrong with Clifford. She said he was just feeling blue. Bark! My friend Allison thought some pretty flowers might cheer Clifford up. They didn't. Achoo! Bark! Clifford loves parades. The kids in the neighborhood put on a parade for him. Bark! He felt worse than ever. Bill and Marcia said they would cheer him up with a puppet show. The show was very good. He liked it. But then, bark! When the witch tried to push the girl and boy into the oven, Clifford got upset. Bark! I had an idea. I decided to write a happy song for Clifford. Bark! I thought of words that say all the wonderful things about Clifford. I put the words to a tune. We sang my song to Clifford. This is how it goes. Bark! Who's the biggest dog around? Who's the reddest dog in town? Emily Elizabeth loved that pup, loved him so that he grew up. Bark! It's Clifford, it's Clifford. Lovable, laughable, Clifford. It's Clifford, it's Clifford. Good old Clifford, yeah, the big red dog who can be a scary ghost. Who do children love the most? Bark! Who takes Emily for a ride? Who is always by her side? It's Clifford, it's Clifford. Lovable, laughable, Clifford. It's Clifford, it's Clifford. Good old Clifford, yeah, the big red dog. Bark! Who waits for Emily after school, who takes a bath in the swimming pool, who tries always to be good, who once starred in Hollywood. It's Clifford, it's Clifford. Lovable, laughable, Clifford. It's Clifford, it's Clifford. Good old Clifford, yeah, the big red dog. Bark! Who is Emily's Valentine? Who makes every day so fine? Every day they have a ball. He's the best woof dog of all. Bark! It's Clifford, it's Clifford. Lovable, laughable, Clifford. It's Clifford, it's Clifford. Good old Clifford, yeah, the big red song made Clifford feel much better. Maybe you would like to sing it too. Bark! On the back page, there's a song that you can sing whenever you want to with this book. Thank you for joining me reading We Love You, Clifford, from Norman Bridwell. Thank you.